In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add diagonal and double lines to your ERD diagrams in Lucidchart, specifically for supertype and subtype diagrams. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin, head over to Lucidchart's website. Lucidchart is a user-friendly platform designed to make diagramming a seamless process, helped by its intuitive interface. Once you've logged in, go to your document dashboard. This is where you'll find the files you've recently worked on, or you can choose to start fresh with a new document. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be working within an existing document. Go ahead and open the one you'd like to modify. Upon opening your document, you'll notice a variety of shapes available on the left-hand side of the screen. These are your building blocks. Simply click and drag the desired shapes onto your canvas to start setting up your diagram. Now, with your shapes in place, it's time to connect them with lines to represent relationships. Click one of the shapes and drag a line to connect it to another shape. This connection needs to be logical, reflecting the structure of your ERD accurately. Moving on, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll spot an arrow icon. When you give it a click, you'll unlock an array of different line styles. Here, you'll find the option to click on a diagonal line, which alters the line style to better suit your diagram's requirements. Next, click on the line icon in the top menu. This section allows you to adjust various attributes of your lines, including the endpoint size. By increasing the endpoint size, you can give your diagram a more pronounced look or tailor it to complement your particular style. If you need to create a double line, which is often used to denote supertypes and subtypes in your ERD diagrams, begin by clicking on the line you wish to duplicate. With the line selected, revisit the line icon in the top menu. This time, look for the option labeled Double and give it a click. Just like that, your line has transformed into a double line. This is a great feature for emphasizing relationships or hierarchy within your diagram, making the information you're presenting even clearer. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added diagonal and double lines to your ER diagram. Doing so enhances visual clarity and effectively organizes your data, all within Lucidchart's intuitive platform. By carefully following these steps, you've managed to improve your Lucidchart diagram with both precision and flair. Feel free to explore further with various styles and formats to create the ideal representation that suits your needs. And there you have it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to keep exploring new features to enhance your diagrams.